Vuorikatu in Kotka staircase.
Oh, this yours one. This might be actually Valmet Otis. Okay, let's ignore that.
Oh!
Wow.
Rear panel.
Yep. Totally Valmet Otis.
Oh,
Oh, it's the same as the Kerava.
Yep.
I don't know the address anymore. It was
And what's the address of this?
We'll check it later. But the 98.
Vuorikatu.
Ah, did you say it?
Yeah, but in
Oh.
1987 B1 0124.
Hoe pas is dat 24
What?
Hoe pas is dat 24 Please, I want to say it quickly. You can push the button. This is actually quite big. It's nice.
Yeah,
Nice light fixture.
yeah. So also overload light. Yeah.
I said good wear.
Yeah.
I've never seen serious one with it. Oh, you're the thing. Nice. You're putting your copper in there. Appears to be sitting good in there. Yeah, it's good, nice. I want to go for.
Somebody.
Let's see if it has memory. Yes, it does. I guess all serious ones have it.
Yeah.
Inspected by inspector and maintained by Otis. On my desk practice. But yeah, this is a good nest elevator. I guess we haven't filmed a lot of workers in here now.
Yeah.
Which is good to say. That's
That's